without learning these tricks of and formula you can't grow. Which are those? Let's learn smartly. First of all, today we have to learn the and formula in this series. So press is equal to for and write and formula, press step button. If this is equal to this, do you know what will be the result? If both cells are same, if both cells are equal to, so and formula will give us the result into true. If those are not equal to, those are not same, so there will be the false answer. So we have given the condition, or we have completed the formula arguments. Now press enter. You'll see it is false. Why? Because China and Pakistan are not the same cells content. If I click on it, you will see here these both are same, that's why here is the true answer, and also here is the same answer, that's why here is the true. For example, if I change this from another one, see the result. Or if I change the result from here, so see what's going on. So like this way and works. But do you know that this and formula works with numericals or not? Let's learn it. Press is equal to and use and formula. If this is equal to and more than this one. Yes, that was asking permission, and then press or this to this. So see the result. So like this way this works. So like this way you can use the and formula in your data. For more tricks and clicks, subscribe my channel and visit my channel, and there is the series of formulas, Excel formulas, which are very important for anyone. So thank you to all of you for watching this video.